We are now that I've got the videotape working. Ooh, catching some lightning here in Las Vegas.
Vegas.
We're just sitting in a parking lot, checking it all out. There's been some crazy-ass lightning going on.
Crazy.
Come on, lightning.
There we go. That was good. Some more. Woo! Yeah!
Yeah! It is lighting this guy up. Heard a little bit of thunder, but it was still far away.
That was nice right there. I have to add a soundtrack to this one, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we're catching the end of the storm. The best ones were earlier when we were getting over here.
It's only because we're taping it.
Did you get that one over there? Did it show
I got some of it, I think. Probably more than I think. I know as soon as I turn it off, it'll start up heavy again.
That was nice right there.
Here, lightning, 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 lightning. Oh, that's hard to say.
When it lands right in front of us, when it comes up right in front of us, you're not going to say it again, I'll bet. Whoa! Yeah!
That was a good one!
That was a good one!
I still got that. Yay!
Okay, signing off.
No way, man.
No.
Hold on for a minute.
Come on, man. I want to get back.
It's only been a couple minutes. Hold on. That was a good one.
What's good about that is I think you're shooting in 720p. If you are, then I can capture that. Yeah. Then I can capture that and actually get photos of the sucker.
Gotta show Dad this one.
Good stuff.
See, at least I'm not wasting money away by gambling.
No, that was last night. Had you lose $100?
I didn't lose $100.
On penny machines.
It wasn't $100.
How much was it?
How much? I think you only gave me a couple times, like 2 or 3 times. Either 40 or 60. You did not.
I did.
No.
I know how much I took out of the bank. Fool.
We'll take this up to 5 minutes. It's at 4:07. Take it up to 5 and then.
Alright, 5 minutes. As
Look, we're
LVPD
getting
pulls
some
in
good
behind
ones
us.
here.
What are you folks doing? Come on, one gigantic one. One big crowd pleaser. Right in front of us. Boom! Right there. That'd be something.
Oh, arm's getting tired of holding up the camera.
Not bad, not bad.
One big one before we go. Give a last goodbye. Alright, folks.
There we
yeah!
go!
Thank you! That's going out with a bang. Bye-bye.